Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The ANCA, shown here, is part of the AM5000 series of CNC controls and is the motor control axis labeled Y on the right-hand side. These programmable controls are capable of any CNC type function, but the majority are used in water jet metal cutting systems. This customer sent in only the single axis labeled Y to us for a full rebuild and test. The attached control box is an ERD designed simulator which takes the place of the computer and also provides motor simulation for the motor control. In the video, we are enabling the system and using the feedback built into the box, so we are able to check the phasing of the motor control axis without needing the specific motor. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.